Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, you're going to take a look at a just absolutely stunning 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. This car is beautiful, guys. Complete nut and bolt frame-off restoration. Car was actually, I guess it was started in 2010, completed in 2013, and it looks like it's got 0 miles on it. When you see the bottom of this car, there cannot be 500 miles on this car. Beautiful, it's got the red paint with a parchment interior. You can see that's actually tinted glass, not the film, it's actually tinted glass on the car. 17 and 18 inch US mags with Nitto 5.5 rubber all the way around it. It has a wicked sounding 454 cubic inch, 550 horse aluminum headed big block underneath the hood. And like I say, this thing is gorgeous. Georgia car, good solid straight body, really nicely done. There is not a whole lot for me to really point out in this video because this car is slick. Chrome and stainless is nice. The bottom's beautiful. I mean, the frame's powder coated black. It's all tubular suspension. It's got the cowl. It's actually got the functional cowl hood, but they don't have the flapper hooked up, and they may not be able to with the way they. Yeah, there's one little touch-up mark I've seen here. They may not be able to run that flapper with that throttle linkage that they've got. Fit and finish is outstanding on the car. Beautiful paint. That's all new glass. Gaps. I mean, just very nicely built car, guys. Nice and straight down the sides. And like I say, the bottom is just as nice as the top. I think that'll come off, guys. I don't know what that is, a little rubber mark or something. Pretty car, man. 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got the slotted and drilled rotors. That's a pretty car right there. Again, this thing sounds nasty, man. 454. 550 horsepower, full roller engine, FiTech fuel injection, air gap aluminum intakes, aluminum heads. You can see it's got the really nice March front runner system on it, CPP power steering unit. It's got the Willwood master cylinder, but it's got CPP 4-wheel disc brakes. You can see it's tubular front suspension, front sway bar, MSD ignition. It's got a set of Dougs full-length ceramic headers, vintage air, aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. There's receipts for the engine, the trans, I think the paint. $13,000 just in the engine, guys. And that, my friends, is why I tell everybody why I don't build cars. I just left here, we were talking about a Pontiac he built, and you know, it's just crazy at what it costs to build these cars. Took him 7 years to build his car. And like I said, this one 3 years. .400 turbo trans, 3000 stall converter. And that's a pro-built trans. Door skins are nice and clean. You see it's got power windows, new carpet. I've got the new floor mats on the way. Yes, I put a ton of floor mats in cars. Bucket seats, console. It's got the tilt column with a billet wheel. It's got the Dakota analog gauge cluster in it. That's brand new. Matter of fact, when you look at the mileage on that, it's not going to show any miles, and it's because that analog gauge cluster is brand new. Retrosounds radio. It's got the upgraded vintage AC controls. It's Magnaflow X-pipe dual exhaust system in it. Stainless fuel tank. It's got a hub-to-hub Moser axle in it with 355 posi, tubular control arms. Sorry guys, that's just a little wax in there. Always missed it. Wipe off. Nice and clean trunk jam. It also has adjustable coilovers on the front. Again, here's some paperwork. I don't want to, show you too much because the guy's name and stuff's in there, but there's paperwork for the car. And again, it was started in 2010, finished in 2013. Everything opens and closes nice. I mean, the fit and finish is great on the car. Stainless fuel tank. You can see it's got that Moser aluminum hub. Really nice underneath. Again, to do this car today, it's $100,000. I mean, just what it is to cost to build these cars. Seats are nice. Dash pad's nice. There's your FiTech stuff underneath. Looks like a brand new console. Yeah. Make sure you click it all the way down. Yep. Backwards. That fuel gauge does work, guys. It's got one up there. Like I say, I just put gas in and I know it's full. So I must just have a loose connection or something because it does work. The doors sometimes. Power windows work. That's a wicked cool car, man. Just put the power windows down. Does radio work? I didn't ever turned it on.
It's just not getting a signal.
Oh, okay. Up against the building, yeah. Right there. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. New Pontiac that just come in.